My video will help you to remove the ransomware called 8base. This is the ransomware from the Chaos family. My video will be solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I will just show you how damaging the ransomware is, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover your data, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover the data. You can clearly see that before the ransomware's attack, we are able to open our files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware called 8base may be very easily injected into the computer. The ransomware is called like that because it appends this 8base extension to the file names, and as a consequence it is impossible to use the files. The ransomware in the ransom note tells its victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software. Once it gets successfully installed, start researching your system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So when you start the program, you need to click on this Start Scan button, and then the application will first of all most likely update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of infections. So you should not skip this very important update procedure. Make sure that the antivirus database is successfully updated for proper detection and elimination of this ransomware. After the antivirus database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Then at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan. Some threats can be removed manually based on the summary of the threats, based on their locations information, but I do recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. Premium license is a much better solution because your data would always be under the protection with the anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner. So use Combo Cleaner to protect your data from the ransomware attacks. And finally, speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover the data.